In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect email addresses from Instagram stories and turn viewers into leads with ManyChat. We'll walk through the exact setup step by step, so by the end you'll have an automation that turns simple story replies into valuable contacts for your email list and your business. First, log into your ManyChat account. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the settings option, the one with the little gear icon, and click on it. This is where you control how ManyChat connects to your different platforms. Inside the settings area, look again at the left panel and find the section labeled Channels. Under Channels, you'll see Instagram listed. Click on Instagram and make sure your Instagram account is already connected to ManyChat. If it isn't, follow the prompts to connect it, because nothing we set up later will work unless this connection is active and authorized. Once Instagram is connected, go back to the left panel and click on Automation. This is where all your flows and automations live. At the top right of this page, click on the button that says New Automation. A pop-up will appear. Here, make sure Instagram is selected as the channel, so you only see Instagram-specific templates. On the left side of this pop-up, use the filters and click on Story Reply. This will narrow down the templates to automations that trigger when someone replies to your Instagram stories. You'll see several options, such as generating leads from stories, answering FAQs from story replies, getting more collaborations, or giving out coupons. For this video, choose the template focused on generating leads from stories, since that's designed specifically to capture emails and turn viewers into subscribers. Now you're inside the visual editor for this automation. At the top, set when this automation should trigger. You can choose whether it fires when someone replies to any story or only to a specific story. Then, define the type of reply. You can trigger it based on specific words or reactions you type in, or you can choose to trigger it on any reply at all. Next, customize the direct message they'll receive. For example, you might say, "Here's the product you asked about. Want me to recommend the best option for you?" Then click to add a link. A pop-up will appear where you can type a button title like "Shop here," paste your URL, and save. To actually collect emails, toggle on the option to ask for email. ManyChat will show a default message that asks the person to share their email address. You can edit this text to match your brand voice, but keep it clear and friendly so people feel comfortable responding. Once you're happy with the trigger, the message, the link, and the email request, go to the top right of the editor and click Go Live. Your Instagram story reply automation is now active, and from this point on, anyone who responds to your stories according to your settings can automatically receive your message, your link, and your prompt to share their email, turning casual story viewers into real leads.